Oh my gosh!
Look at that. First muskrat ever. My name is Joseph Carter, and I am the Mink Man.
When I was a senior in high school, I started learning about the American mink. I was told that mink were horrible, vicious little animals who were impossible to tame. Challenge accepted. I've been in love with mink ever since. I get mink from fur farms and give them a new life. In this new life, my mink live as naturally as possible, even hunting for their dinner the way a wild mink would. So come join me on my adventures as we learn more about this intense little predator, the amazing American mink. So we're doing some more muskrat hunting. I'm looking at this hole here, and I can't decide whether I like it or not. It was previously under the grass. I've moved the grass aside. Muskrats prefer, when possible, to have their den entrances right in or under the water. This one's up above the water, but it was covered by grass. So I don't know, I can't decide whether I like it or not. It looks like it's been used. It looks pretty fresh and good, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick a mink in it. We'll see whether there's something home or not. Today we're gonna start out with Mr. Bear. He hasn't been hunted as much lately because we've been working real hard on Spot and Midnight. So we're gonna try and get him out a little more, and let's see what we got.
Oh.
There we go.
Ooh, two rats.
Here comes the mink. Oh, he's going back.
Going back.
He's going right back to the mink. The other one's heading this way.
I'll stay here, you go.
I'll go follow the muskrat.
I see something. It's the muskrat. This one is going. Oh, there's another muskrat right here.
Wow.
Yeah,
Is he just sitting there?
he's just sitting right in the entrance.
Wow, this is a good one.
Yeah, this is a really. Oh wow, the mink was just behind it. No, that's the mink.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, it was just behind it.
This is a good spot.
Hi, Luna.
Hi, Luna.
We're filming, okay?
Oh, this one went up in here. He didn't go as far as the other ones. They're shooting outside. Out of the water. You're up. Go. Go. Too much.
I tried to encourage Bear to search around for muskrats, but he was insistent on staying in the same original den. So I decided to put Bear away and get out Spot. Spot is much better at finding muskrats on his own, and most importantly, he's far better at taking directions from me so I can guide him to the muskrat if I see where it went.
Spot. Let's get Spot. So I saw the muskrats swim in here, so I'm going to bring Spot down and stick him in the hole. Oh, they're right there. Judy, come here. Come here. Here. They're right there.
You
He
saw
might already
him?
have one. No, it bounced the minute he stuck his head in.
Oh,
I think he might already caught one. Maybe we'll check it out. Yeah, look at
yeah.
that. I think he's got one.
Ooh.
Oh, he lost it. I probably spooked him. Or maybe he hadn't grabbed it yet. Maybe he's just cornering it. There should be two in their Spot. I'll find the other one. It might have been like fighting.
Mm-hmm.
There's the other one. Well, that's not even a den. That's just a little. It's just a little spot up in the grass.
Oh, muskrat!
On land, and especially in a burrow, mink are faster than a muskrat. But out in deeper water where they must swim, the muskrat is far faster than the mink. Muskrats instinctively know this, and when the mink is inside or even just near their den, muskrats prefer to swim around out in the open water. I've trained Spot to let me guide him to a location where I know a muskrat is hiding. I do this by making a squeaking sound that sounds kind of like a rodent in distress. I then throw a rock or dirt clod in the water to make a small splash near the muskrat's location. Unlike Bear, Spot better understands this communication and typically follows my guidance.
Ooh. Oh my gosh! He had his head underwater. That's another one though. Where's the other one?
That was a totally different one. He had his head underwater, totally didn't see it.
Where's the other one at that you were hurting?
Oh, he's got it covered.
Oh. Oh, it's behind you.
Can you see it?
Yeah. He's sitting there. He's tired. Just waiting in there. Oh. Do you want me to turn it? It's coming this way.
Oh, yeah, I see them.
Over here.
It's still going.
I think it's fighting it.
The bouncing movement under the grass made it appear like Spot had either already caught the muskrat or he was possibly having an underground standoff with it. Since it was looking more like a standoff than an actual capture, we gave Spot a little bit of time to make the capture. Outside. After a few moments of waiting, I decided to carefully lift the grass and see what was going on. He's got it. Oh, no, he doesn't have it yet. It's biting. My disturbance apparently distracted Spot, giving the muskrat an opportunity to slip away. You watch her going that way, I'll watch her going this way.
Oh, it's over here. Yeah.
Successfully surviving the first standoff appeared to have given the muskrat a false sense of security in this tactic, so he tried it again. But in this second location, Spot was apparently able to more easily subdue the muskrat, so he quickly did so. For that one. Whew. That was a hard one. I have no idea where the other two are at. That was a good little hunt. Maggie's first film. First, hey, get out of here. Look at that. First muskrat ever. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, such a good girl.
It's tired.
Alrighty, well, let's go somewhere else. Good job, babe.
Thanks.
Do you want some muskrat meat? Yeah. Okay, I'll give you some muskrat meat. Good girl.